Welcome back, guys. Welcome in this new video tutorial. Today we are gonna see on how to use the element, but the media and the form. Okay, we'll see both of them because it's very easy and fast to see and to understand how to use it. Okay. So let's go. Media. We start with media and we start with the image. Image means of course, you can put your image. This is the settings. Settings, you can upload your image. It, of course, will be maybe the first time after you upload, sorry, your image, you will find your image here. Okay. uh, let's say, for example, I'm going to upload this. Okay, so I will upload this, I will put this, and now, for example, I want to change the image, but I already have the image. Okay, so let's set something. Action when image clicked. So when customer go here through the image to see the image, then they click, you can choose if you want to put a link or show a pop-up. Okay, show a pop-up. Now we don't have a pop-up, and maybe in some video we'll see on how to use a pop-up. But now we say maybe open URL. We don't have a URL, we leave everything, but you can here paste your URL. Okay, and of course make sure to mark this box to, it means to open in a new window. So you can set the size of the image. I want to remember you to make sure, maybe for example here is good. If we don't like it, maybe because of another image, let's say, for example, I want to modify this size. Okay, but as you can see here on the desktop version, it's the same than before. Okay, same thing here, like you can reduce, you can zoom the box inside and the external part, let's say. And then same things here if you want the image on the desktop only, on the mobile, oh, both. Okay, so this one is for the image. After that, save anytime. Okay, video, same thing with a video. You can click here, you can put a link, you can put your custom embed, and then here you can put your code, and you can upload the file. Okay, in any case, you have to know here on how to set this part. Autoplay means when the page will be opened, no, for your customer, by your customer, the video will start automatically if you put on. If you put off, of course, no. Control, you can choose control on or control off. It means if you leave off, the customer can control, can put pause, can put can can hit play, or can go back, or whatever. If you put on, it can do everything. She, sorry. Then same things here, the border and everything, the style, blah blah blah. Solid, you can choose like for example a board, the frame, like this, and that's it. And at the end, desktop or mobile version. Again, save, and let's see if I on off. Okay, audio, you can put your audio if you have an audio. Same thing, upload the audio or direct link, and then the other option. Save and carousel. Let's put it here. So, how to set the carousel? Sorry for my pronunciation. So you can add the slide, like for example, slide 1. Slide 1 is this one. We can put an image, for example. You can put an image, we upload the image just to see the difference, okay? My YouTube channel. Select the image, okay. Same thing. Boom, we can reduce. Same thing about the image, but here carousel. Okay, let's see if we have some option. Okay, display arrow navigation means if you wanna see here the arrow to go like this, to go to swipe to see the other image or something else. Slide 2, you can change of course the position. Slide 2, slide number 2, we can for example put a video. Let's say we can modify the video like before. Just let's see if I can modify the margin. Yes, I can zoom it. Okay, it's just an example. Again, carousel. Slide number 3. Slide number 3. We put audio. Just something different. You can put also a text. Okay. Here. Hi. Why? We change the color and the size. Okay, save, and now let's go to see what we did. Okay, we have the image, we don't have any link. Audio doesn't work, maybe because there is no audio, of course. And the carousel, you can click here and you can swap. Okay. Here you can move the row. Here we can put up, for example, here, or if you don't wanna waste your time, you can just click and keep it and then scroll up and down. Okay. So guys, for this video is everything for the media. Okay, and let's do the for in another video. Okay, see you in the next video for the 4 elements. Of course, if you have some question, I wanna remember you to join in our chat Telegram and ask us everything. Okay, we try to help you. And if you want to join our community MetaCube to have the opportunity to have a call with us and the other guy, just to go through OpenSea and type MetaCube origin and buy your NFT pass. Okay, but of course, again, join our chat and ask us everything. See you in the next video, guys.